Welcome to the channel, guys, where I make crawlspace and awareness for you guys. So these are the typical things that I come across in wonderful South Carolina crawlspaces. These funguses that destroy the wood can cause serious structural problems, even possible health-related issues. But most importantly, most of the reasons why people have these problems is because nobody ever checks them out. This is like DEFCON 3, EF5, horrible problems. Moisture, lack of ventilation, and the darkness is exactly what this fungi needs to survive, to destroy your wood, to deteriorate your investment. Left unnoticed, it's just going to get worse. Moisture is a huge problem. Yeah, can it lead to health risks? Absolutely. The mold spores can cause allergies and skin irritation, but the most important factor with all this is always make sure you have an inspection done throughout the year. One time a year, if not two. If you can get down there yourself, that's important. Inspection is key. It's always good to see if you've got some leaks, fungus buildup, any water intrusion after a rainstorm. That'll definitely help with decreasing the amount of fungus that can accumulate underneath your home. Nice, healthy home, keep you healthy, and it also keeps the value of your home doing very well. Catch my other videos, guys, and I'll learn a little something. I'll see ya.